Hello everyone, how are you doing? I need you to prepare your English textbook and open it to page 82. 82. Okay, are you done? Are you done? Okay, let's start answering the following questions. So right here on exercise A, we are going to underline the words that are headings. Are you ready? Okay, but let me explain to you what do you mean by headings. Okay, so here headings is a title, okay? It is a title at the head of a page or section of a book. It is also something that forms or serve as a head, especially inscription, headline, or title is standing at the top of the beginning. Like, for example, like address and date at the beginning of a letter, showing its place and time of origin. Like here, for example, here, okay, on the page of your book, okay, on this page, you will find this, for example, sea transport. So, this is called a heading. Okay, this is called a heading, a title. Okay, so this is called a heading. So, from these following words, okay, this is the box. Okay. You are going to underline the words that are called headings. You remember when we read sea transport? Okay, you're going to find the headings. Like, for example, dragon boats, right? Here we are going to read the following. Let us read together. We have here paddles, sailing, paddling, sails, ancient Egyptians, wacky invention, and propeller. So here there are three headings. Three headings from the page of sea transport, our reading sea transport, from page 79 to page 81. There are three headings. So what are they? Could you please tell me? Yes, you're right. We have sailing. What else? Paddling, and wacky invention. Okay. Are you done? Okay, so next we have the second question here, number 2. Here we are going to circle true or false for each sentence about sailing. Okay, let's read the first sentence. We have here, let's see. Here, the first sentence, let's read it together. The Chinese were the first people to sail. Is it true or false? It's false. Why? Because ancient Egyptians and Arabs were the first people to use sails. Are you done with it? Okay. Next sentence, we have sailing is not a sport. Sailing is not a sport. True or false? False. Why? Why did you say it's false? These days, actually, sailing is a very popular sport. Are you done? Okay, so the next sentence, the last sentence. Okay, sailing is a popular hobby. True or false? Yes, it's true. These days, sailing is a very popular and popular sports and hobby. So it is true. Are you done? Okay, let's go below the question 3. Let's answer 3. Okay, so we have here question 3. This is gonna be, I'm gonna leave it to you to answer. I'm not going to answer everything, okay? So this is gonna be your homework. Okay, I need to ask you something. I need to tell you something. Children, if you are going to send, to send your homework to Rocket, I need you to please write down your names. Write down your names so that I could be able to know whose homework is that. Do you understand? Okay, next. We have here, next page, 83. Are you done? Next page, page 83. Here also, we are going to answer some of the questions only in the remaining. You're gonna do it as a homework. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have exercise B. Number 1 question. Number 1. When, where? Okay, this is number 1. Question 1. When were dragon boats first made? When? When it was first made? Can you tell me? Who can tell me? Children. Yes, you're right. Dragon boats were first made 2,000 years ago. So, I'm gonna write it in complete sentence, but Dragon boats. Dragon boats were first we will continue up. First made Okay, first made, this is A. First made 2,000 years ago. Okay, did you get it? Are we done? Okay, I'm waiting. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. Exercise number 2. Here in this exercise, we are going to take the word that is another name for a car boat. Okay, so we have here, is it a car float? No. Is it a sea car? No. Okay, is it an amphicar? Yes, you're correct. Are you done, children? Okay, so I'll just stop from here. And question C, exercise C, I'm gonna leave it to you to answer. So, here we have the last question, exercise C. This is gonna be your homework. So in this homework, it's actually a chart, and you are going to answer which of these things do you think are important to include in a book on sea transport. I need you to number them 1 to 4, with 1 being the most important. Okay, so we have here, of course, submarines is the most important one. Okay. Are you done? So, okay, this is gonna be your homework. That's it then. Goodbye, children.